this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation by using Bing. We won't be creating a base image for this tutorial. Let's use any of these available templates. We can copy the prompt to create a new image, or just click this Regenerate button. GPT produces the best image, but this time let's just create a video. We can create 10 fast video per day, and an unlimited amount of standard videos for free. Please remember to refresh this page after 2 minutes or so to see the video below. If you go away and can't find this page again, just create a new simple image to find the finished video below. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.